Gutierrez Brothers HVAC also handles large-scale plumbing installations for nail salons, including BIG PVC and pipe systems for efficient water flow and drainage. Proper plumbing is essential for handling high water usage in salons, from pedicure stations to sinks. Our team ensures quality installation, leak-free connections, and long-lasting performance, all at competitive pricing. If your nail salon needs professional plumbing work done right, Gutierrez Brothers HVAC has you covered. For more HVAC and plumbing tips, please follow us, like and share this video.